observed any differences in the outcomes of tasks or projects when confidence level vary among team members?
Yes, of course. If you are having 10 or 15 members in your team, then everyone having their own confidence for a particular task. If you have to do any target,
1 to 10 scale, how you believe the confidence will help you in achieving your goals?
I will say from 9 to 10. You are confident. If you are giving a not fully correct answer as well, right? Then
How would you define confidence in your own words? Confidence is something when you are carrying yourself without any fear or any sort of things. I mean, you have no fear or nothing. You are just being casual. That's confidence for me.
How do you define confidence in your words?
If I say I define my confidence in my words, like whenever I get a time in a free time, so I just speak to myself. Have you observed any differences in the outcomes of projects when confidence level vary among team?
Yeah, like it depends. Like if you're working somewhere in a team and we don't know okay, what is the answer of this solution, but if we are interacting because of our body language, we can like convince our clients. Okay, yeah.
the person who knows AI is taken.
No. Nothing will come. Only the thing like you are asking your something, right? Whole sentence. First they will remember. Second HR will remember.